Are you tired of duplicate cases cluttering your Salesforce? Learn how to merge them in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to merge 2 cases. Let's start by opening the Cases tab. Start by clicking on the Cases tab to see your list of cases. Then, click the first case you want to merge to select it. Now, click the second case you want to merge while holding down the Control key to select both. With both cases selected, click on the Merge Cases button that appears. On the next screen, review the details and click Next to proceed. Finally, click Merge to complete the merge. And that's it. Your cases are now combined. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.